Alright, this is a video for 1HT about exercise 41. It says a circle has a radius of 8 centimeters. Calculate the area in squared centimeters, correct to one decimal place. So if you want to calculate the area for a circle, you have to use this formula. The area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. If you want to calculate the circumference, that's what we learned earlier. The circumference is the diameter, is pi times the diameter. And the area is pi times the radius squared. So if you know the radius, you can calculate the area. Right, now here we do know the radius. It says a circle has a radius of 8 centimeters. Calculate the area in squared centimeters, correct to one decimal place. So this is what you need to do. The area of the circle is pi times the radius squared. So pi times 8 squared. So on your calculator, let me calculate what that is. That is rounded off 201.1. Alright, moving on to exercise B. The question says a circle has a diameter of 27 centimeters. Calculate the area. So now we don't know the radius, we know the diameter. Well, one thing you should know is that the radius is always half of the diameter. Let me show you that using a circle that I drew over here. The diameter is from one side of the circle to the other side of the circle. That's what I meant to say. This is the diameter. But the radius is from the middle to the outside. So I don't know if this is exactly the middle where I drew it there. But this is the diameter and this is the radius. So the radius is half of the diameter. So with question 41b, we know that the diameter is 27, so we need to divide it by 2, that's 13.5. So then to calculate the area for exercise B, we have to do pi times 13.5 squared. And pi times 13.5 squared equals 572.6. If you round it off to, at this one we need to round off to 2 decimal places, then we get 5. This is a 5 and this is a 6. I don't know. You couldn't see it anyway. Exercise C. Calculate the area in squared centimeters of a circle with a diameter of 173 decimeters. Okay, so let me read the question here. We know the diameter, so again you need to divide it by 2. So 173 divided by 2 is 86.5. So you need to do, to calculate the area, you need to do pi times 86.5 squared. And if you do that, you get the answer. So let's see what that is. Pi times 86.5 squared. We get 23,506. And we need to round off to the nearest whole number, so that is it. The only thing that you still have to write down is the measurements if you know them. For the first one it's squared centimeters. For the second one it's squared centimeters. And for the third one it's squared decimeters, because the first 2 questions use centimeters and the last one uses decimeters. Alright, so this is the answer for exercise 41. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.